Limited by whether you can actually customize your Edge AI? Worried about data security? Or frustrated by latency and rising costs? The answer to your AI challenges is at the edge. APEX-P200, an Intel-based Edge AI system with the NVIDIA RTX 2000 Ada accelerator, delivers a ready-to-deploy foundation for real-world Edge AI. Security is strongest when data stays on site. AI responds instantly without waiting on the cloud. It reduces data transfer, lowers cloud costs, and keeps performance fast without relying on the cloud all the time. Intelligence tailored to your application, boosting efficiency and reducing complexity. It's 30% smaller than typical systems and is perfect for tight spaces and flexible deployments, from factory floors to robotic arms. With rich I/O and built-in out-of-band management, it stays connected and manageable, even when the system is not running normally. With Intel Core i7 processing and NVIDIA RTX accelerator, APEX-P200 handles demanding AI workloads smoothly, enabling real-time inference at the edge. Designed for harsh environments, APEX-P200 stays stable under heat and heavy workloads. Its dual thermal design keeps performance consistent, so AI runs without slowing down or interruption. With APEX-P200 and the full Innodisk ecosystem, everything works together seamlessly. Innodisk helps you put the right pieces together, giving a ready-to-deploy Edge AI platform that speeds up time to market and removes integration guesswork. From automated robotic arms that boost efficiency and precision, to instant defect detection and precise object tracking, APEX-P200 brings AI to every field, helping industries work smarter and faster. Built on a wide range of industrial-grade products from memory and storage to connectivity and vision, Innodisk provides a stable and scalable foundation for Edge AI. To accelerate real-world AI deployment, we integrate these AI building blocks from DRAM memory and flash storage to expansion cards and AI accelerators into a unified AI-ready platform. That's why we created the APEX series. Powered by decades of system integration expertise, it bridges complexity and scale, delivering validated integration and professional services to help you bring AI to life faster and more reliably, no matter the environment or workload. Among the APEX series, the APEX-P200 stands as a proven example of this commitment to performance, reliability, and secure design. APEX-P200 has earned recognition like the Taiwan Excellence Award and meets rigorous product cybersecurity and international regulatory standards, while all materials comply with REACH and RoHS 3.0 environmental requirements. Its modular design and smart cooling help reduce power use and carbon footprint, bringing sustainability into every product lifecycle. Comprehensive solutions to create value tomorrow. Innodisk, Architect Intelligence.